Hey Penny, shall we play games on my Amiga CD32?
Good idea, Aviagen.
Wait,
What is happening?
Do you want the ball?
Oh, great. Not another error.
Oh, great.
I will restart. If that doesn't work, then I'm summoning Chuckle's jump scare.
Don't you dare, Aviagen.
Aviagen. No nitrogen monoxide,
Stop saying
nitrogen
nitrogen
monoxide,
monoxide.
nitrogen monoxide, not again.
Aviagen, I said stop summoning jump scares.
Oh, God, we are about to enter recovery mode.
I know,
right?
Not?
Wait, what's that creepy music coming from? I'm scared.
You scared.
I told you we are entering recovery mode. If it's a fatal error, then I'm summoning Ethan Gamer 9000 jump scare.
Let's hope it's a successful one. More time.
New My Amiga CD32.